All right, and the conversation continues here at the TV set at Inspire and Connect, and we're joined by Elina Machefer, International Technical Innovation Expert, seconded by Bpifrance to AI Singapore. Elina, bonjour.
Bonjour, Audrey.
Wonderful to have you here today with us. Let's start by maybe having you introduce the AI Lab to us. What motivated this launch, as well as maybe explain how AI Singapore and the FCCS collaborate on this project.
Thank you very much, Audrey. And first, maybe let me introduce who are these two persona, the two key players in this partnership. So on one hand, we have FCCS, which stands for French Chamber of Commerce in Singapore. A very large association in Singapore for decades and representing more than 500 members of companies from various verticals. And on the other hand, AI Singapore, which is the national artificial intelligence program of Singapore government, launched in 2017 already, with mission to foster AI adoption and anchor AI capabilities in Singapore. So you can guess the members of French Chamber of Commerce. Among the members, many companies are seeing AI as a strategic move, but kind of lack a clear roadmap, clear use cases, and talents on one hand. And on the other hand, we have AI Singapore with all this expertise. So we decided to bring together this national expertise by AI Singapore together with the strong business network of French FCCS.
Okay.
That's how we decided to launch this unique program, FCCS AI Lab. So the lab is granting access to the FCCS members to AI readiness assessment, to guidance, expertise, and also hands-on implementation support for all the members. I would say AI Singapore is not starting from scratch, right? Existing since 2017 already. It has a proven framework, like 100 experiments program, which has delivered already more than 300 projects deployed across various industries.
Wow.
So it's really to go from theory into practical world right now.
And there's no better time, right? There's no better time now because we are riding the AI wave now. And I want to talk about AI readiness now, How does a participating company move from the assessment of its AI readiness to the concrete implementation of a project? Could you maybe provide an example for us?
Sure. So AI readiness is an assessment by AI Singapore, very easy 10 minutes test by any company, which will indicating the maturity level regarding AI. Let's say the company is mature enough or is AI ready. We will sit together, AI Singapore and the company, and we'll go through different criteria to define a proper and strong use case. Among these criteria, we will discuss about, very important, the business value, the return on investment, ROI of the use case submitted by the company. So ROI, technical feasibility, of course, and data, if data is ready or not. On top of that, AI Singapore also makes sure and discuss with the company to make sure that the entity has all the technical capacity or is willing to build the capacity to take over any AI solution that would be delivered at the end of the program. So that's the first part. And when we make sure of that, we define a strong use case, then we will, of course, validate and execute the program. I just want to say that this scoping phase, the scoping of this project is very important and is taken very seriously. And from my point of view, probably one of the key success factors of all AI Singapore programs, because it really sets the foundation for all the development that is done afterwards.
Yeah, okay. So we want to hear about the main challenges that you've seen. I'm sure you've seen so many companies over the last few years. What are the main challenges companies face when integrating AI, and how does the program help them overcome these challenges?
Yeah, main challenges are well known, I would say, but remain critical. Among them, data readiness. And I'm not saying lack of data, I'm speaking about data readiness. So to ensure most companies still struggle with fragmented data. Sometimes underestimating, sometimes overestimating the quality of the data and quality of the data. So data readiness is one challenge. Yeah, still one challenge. Second challenge is the unclear ROI. I mentioned that already earlier, but the business impact, the impact on any use case is extremely important, and each company needs to really properly take time to define and think about the impact on any development, even basic development, any simple solution before thinking about the technical solution by itself. So unclear ROI would be the second. And third, of course, talent gap. But in Singapore in particular, there are so many initiatives by the government to fill this gap, right? So that's three big challenges, and some of them just need a little nudge to get started. So that's what we are trying to do also with this program, providing them a clear framework to move forward and take each use case step by step. AI Singapore also provide expertise, know-how on how to deploy a solution and how to implement AI solution. This and structure and framework, I'm getting confused. Yeah, and we deliver MVP, so minimum viable product, in let's say 3 months. Very important, so the company really see quickly real concrete results and build on top of that, build confidence for future projects.
Wonderful. All right, Elina, we want to look forward now. What impact do you hope this program will have on the local AI ecosystem and on French companies as well, established here in Singapore?
As we were just saying earlier, the ecosystem, we are very lucky to have a very strong and diverse French ecosystem in Singapore, with a company established for years and if not decades, with great success, and they have built a very strong footprint across Asia. So we are building on these strengths and really fostering synergy between Singapore ecosystem and French businesses, or French and European. I have to say, in the French Chamber of Commerce, there are mainly French companies, but not only French companies. Foster this synergy, and also within company foster cross collaboration between departments, between France, maybe French headquarters and Singaporean team, to help company strengthen their R&D capability and build sustainable AI expertise, so they can use this AI expertise and this momentum to sustain their competitiveness in the long run. So in few words, we hope to give the confidence to any members of the French Chamber of Commerce to take the leap into AI adoption.
Wonderful. Lots more collaborations and partnerships are on the horizon. And that was Elina Machefer, International Technical Innovation Expert, seconded by Bpifrance to AI Singapore. Thank you so much for joining us on the TV set, and we hope that you have a great day.
Thank you very much, Audrey.
Thank you very much, Elina.